May 21, 2021, three bright planets are dancing in the western sky after sundown. Evening star Venus is entering the sky for a months-long residency after its solar conjunction 2 months ago. Mercury is heading for a conjunction with Venus after its best evening appearance of the year. Mars continues its eastward march in Gemini, but time is running out on its appearance as it approaches brighter evening twilight and a conjunction with Venus. Chart caption: 2021, May 21st, 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is low in the west-northwest, with Mercury and Mars to its upper left. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:25 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:10 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. During the evening, three bright planets, Venus, Mercury, and Mars, continue their dance in the western sky. 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus about 5 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. It is slowly entering the sky after its solar conjunction nearly 2 months ago. Venus as an evening star article. Read more about Venus in our summary document. Speedy planet Mercury is coming off its best evening display of the year. The planet is dimmer each evening. This evening Mercury is 6.4 degrees to the upper left of Venus. On May 28, Venus and Mercury have a very close conjunction. Both planets easily fit into the same binocular field. Use the optical assist to initially locate Mercury, then look for it without the assistance. The star Elnath, the one budding with horns, is 3.6 degrees to the upper right of Mercury. In a typical binocular, either Mercury and Venus fit into the field of view or Mercury and Elnath fit in the field, but not all three. Here's more about Mercury during May 2021. At this time look for Mars 25.0 degrees to the upper left of Mercury and about 1/3 of the way up in the sky. Mercury and Mars do not have a conjunction during this evening apparition of Mercury, but they are together in a difficult-to-see conjunction later during the summer. Mars is beneath Castor and Pollux as it marches eastward in Gemini. Here's more about Mars during 2021. Find a detailed chart of the motion of Mars during the month here. Chart caption: 2021, May 21st, 1 hour after sundown, the gibbous moon is 11.5 degrees to the lower left of Dimboola, the tail of the lion. The bright moon, 74% illuminated, is over halfway up in the south, 11.5 degrees to the lower left of Dimboola, the lion's tail. Detailed note: bright Jupiter, m equals -2.4, is over 24 degrees above the southeast horizon. Jupiter moves eastward in Aquarius. This morning it is 2.1 degrees to the upper left of Iota Acher, 4.5 degrees to the lower right of Theta Acher, and 4.9 degrees to the lower right of Sigma Acher. Saturn, nearly 27 degrees up in the south-southeast, is 17.2 degrees to the upper right of Jupiter. Tomorrow, the ringed wonder stops its eastward trek and begins to retrograde, slowly at first. This morning the planet is 0.5 degrees to the right of Theta Cap. The Pleiades star cluster has the same ecliptic longitude as the Sun. During the early evening, three bright planets are in the western sky. 30 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is nearly 7 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Use a binocular to spot Mercury, m equals 1.0, 6.4 degrees to the upper left of Venus. The Moon, 10.3d, 74%, is over 50 degrees above the southern horizon. As the sky darkens further, brighter stars, Mercury, and Mars become visible. 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is over 4 degrees above the horizon, while Mercury's altitude is over 10 degrees. This speedy planet is 3.6 degrees to the lower left of Elnath. Mars, over 25 degrees to the upper left of Mercury, is 29.0 degrees up in the west, 2.1 degrees to the right of Delta Gem and 8.0 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. The gibbous moon is 11.5 degrees to the lower left of Dimboola. By 1 hour after sunset, Venus is over 2 degrees above the west-northwest horizon, Mercury is nearly 8 degrees above the horizon, and Mars is over 26 degrees above the western horizon. Read more about the planets during May 2021. 2021, May 21st, twilight lengthens. May 21, 2021, at the weather warms, daylight and twilight lengthen to diminish nighttime hours. As the summer solstice approaches, far northern latitudes do not have periods of darkness. From the most northern latitudes, the sun does not set, the land of the midnight sun. 2021, May 20th, evening planet dance. May 20th, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars continue their planetary dance in the western sky after sunset. Begin looking for brilliant Venus about 30 minutes after sunset. 15 minutes later, Mercury and Mars join the Ballet. 2021, May 20th, morning summer triangle. May 20th, 2021, with two bright planets in the southeast before sunrise, the summer triangle, Vega, Altair, and Deneb, is high in the south as daylight approaches. 2021, May 22nd, Saturn retrogrades. May 22nd, 2021, Saturn, the ringed wonder, begins its retrograde motion today. The planet is in the southern sky to the upper right of bright Jupiter before sunrise. The planet is at opposition on August 2nd, and ends its retrograde motion on October 10th. 2021, May 19th, 5 planets, waxing moon. May 19th, 2021, the display of 5 planets continues. Jupiter and Saturn are morning planets, visible in the southeast before sunrise. After sunset, brilliant evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky. The half-full moon is to the upper left of Regulus.